How to enable VoLTE on any Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily enable VoLTE on any Android device. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up settings. From your settings menu, you want to find your connection settings or mobile network settings, something similar to it. Tap on it, then go ahead and find mobile networks. Tap on it again. And then you can find the VoLTE calls toggle. You can use LTE data networks for calls whenever possible. So for that, you can just tap on the toggle for your SIM 1 and for SIM 2 as well. Doing this will make sure that your calls get the highest possible quality whenever it's possible. So you'll be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. That's how you turn on the VoLTE service on your phone. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.